Ideas of development. Development, what is the main important ideas? Ideas. So different. Some members have the creativity ideas, critical ideas, different ideas. So ideas of development. The what? Some ideas. But even present, once upon a time, living of the conditions very trouble. Present, with you have to utilize your mind. You can do anything. There is no interrelation with the education. మీరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేసే present Bill Gates, he is the second wealthiest person in our country. He did not have any BTech degree or anything. General normal education completed. So that's why education and the development is the no correlation between the development and the education. Idea is the important ideas. How to get the ideas? To read the lessons, to read the articles, to participate in the any program, you have to get the ideas. So present topic, present second lesson is ideas of development. Main points are ideas of development. We have so many aspirations. We have so many aspirations. Aspirations means aspiration or desire synonyms. But we have so many aspirations. Aspirations means burning desire. We have to success. We have to complete this work. Suppose my aspiration is as a government employee. So that's why present I am a success. Nearly had been preparing the DSC nearly 18 years. 2001 started the career as the preparation for the DSC. But I would be selected as a PCT teacher 2018. How many years? 17 years hard work in my life. Shamir aspiration is the different. Tulsisar aspiration is the different. So aspirations are different. We have some different aspirations. As industrialist aspiration, what is the aspiration of the industrialist? You want the wealthiest person in the world. Bill Gates aspiration is the different. My aspiration is the different. So different aspiration. As a student, what is your aspiration? Some member they want to become a doctor, engineer, IAS, IPS. But education is the weapon to success in your life. Without the education, only ideas are coming from your education. Without the education, we can't get any ideas. So aspiration, you have those aspirations. So many aspirations for them. But some important aspiration. My aspiration is that I become a government teacher, but I am success. So next your aspiration, you want to become a doctor. That fulfill after complete the 10 years, you have to complete your fulfill of the aspiration. So aspiration is the important. Aspirant and aspirant means aspirant different to next goals different. Goals are aspiration, both are same meanings. Goal, what is your goal? Ask the question. The teacher asks the question, what is your goal? The student give the answer, I want to become a doctor, engineer, teacher. Nobody can't give the answer farmer. What is your aspiration? But nobody can't give the answer, I want to become a farmer. But without the farmer, what do we eat? Without the farmer, how can you live? Without the farmer, how can you grow the crops? So think yourself. So that's why present situation next to future generation is the agriculture. Present, so many jobs lost because of the corona effect. So and also not only agriculture. Agriculture is also one of the basic need to our life. Next, second one is the industry. Third one is the next software companies. Already that is the difference. Anyway, agriculture is the keep the point in our country, especially for developing country. Agriculture is the basic need for our country. But developed countries slow. So their technology is the different. They are depending upon the total software companies. They are depending upon the information technology. Next we can discuss later. These are aspirations. So without the aspiration, you have to, one of the aspiration is the important. What is your aspiration? One decide this, you have to decide it. You want engineer, doctor, farmer, scientist. You have to decide oneself and do hard work, success in your life. This is the aspiration is important. Next topic, Next to what development promotes different people, different goals. Before the lesson, once show the slides, sir. Slow slide, first slide, sir. One have to open your textbooks. First slide. Slide ఉంది. మీరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేసే స్లైడ్స్. Figure 2.1. Without me, they can't develop. Without me, they can't develop. In this system, I can't develop. Without me, they can't develop. So missions చెప్తున్నారు. Wheels. Without the wheels, can we develop that? But in this system, I can't develop. This textbook has given. అంటే వాటి మెషిన్స్ అన్న ఐడియా. సో టోటల్ గా టైర్స్ కానీ కొన్నిసార్లు మెషిన్స్ ఆల్రెడీ. సో దే కాంట్ డెవలప్ దెమ్సెల్వ్స్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద పిక్చర్ హ్యాస్ గివెన్? వితౌట్ మీ దే కాంట్ డెవలప్. వితౌట్ మీ అంటే సపోజ్ వితౌట్ ద వీల్ కెన్ వి డెవలప్? Present, what is the use of the wheel? We can use one of the person have riding the bicycle, next to riding the cars. So many members without the wheels we can't develop that. So first invented by the wheels in the middle age of the history. Present is the very crucial of the wheel. Without the wheel we can't develop that. So machines already, without the machines we can't develop. Present is the very comfortable life. Next generation is coming, artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence. Next future generation come. So total the next future after the 10 years, only service, cook the servicing, cooking purpose, or security purpose, total the machines, robots are coming. Even for operations. Next to doctors also only assign the doctors. Suppose I have a stomach pain, operations. Even operation of the computers. So robots already conducted the operations. That is the artificial intelligence. Suppose we have a residential schools. Present already security, night watchman, day watchman. Next future law, night watchman, day watchman job disappear. Only robots are there. They can do the work as a night duty and day duty of their work. Suppose I am a principal. I want to some work, assign just go to the classroom to take the attendance register. The robot is going to the classroom and take the all attendance, come to the classroom. Real gane, that is the artificial intelligence. Next, suppose I am sitting here only, but in my house I want, with my help of my phone, I want to switch on my fan, switch on my TV, switch on the refrigerator, anything. I am sitting in the office room of the principal's cabin, but switch on the light in my house. That is the artificial intelligence. Even driving also. Next future lo disappear of the drivers. Total ga robo sitting on the place of the driver. Total ga the robo is running the car. But all signals has given to the, according to the signals, the robo has been driving. That is the credit goes to the artificial intelligence. So in the next future generation, you will observe what is the happening in the future. Next to what development promote different people, different goals. What development promises? What development promises? What development? What development promises? What development promises? Different people, different goals. Different people, different people, different goals. Different people, different goals. So already slide is next, sir. Please show the tables, sir. Tables, sir. In your textbooks, already table has been there. Table 1. Development goals of the different careers of the persons.
Second slide. Second slide, sir.
Second slide, sir. Categories of the persons. Second, development of goals or aspirations. Category of the persons. So once I have to show the table 1. Different people. Category of the persons, development goals. We observe persons, first persons, land, rural laborers. For aspirations, Their aspirations are, their goals are not different. In your textbooks, open your textbooks. Textbook is the primary need to observe that. Previously, before the CC model, the teacher can't use the textbooks. Present is the change the system up to 2014. The government implement the CC model. The teacher have to use the textbooks and explain with extra information of the textbooks. So, textbooks table 1. Different landless rural laborers. While goal is the development goals, what is the aspiration? More days of work and better wages. That is their developmental goals, aspirations, developmental goals. Local school is able to provide the quality education for their children. There is no social discrimination, and they too can become a leaders in the village. Landless rural laborers who development goals. What is the development goals of the landless rurals? Generally, one is the better wages. Better wages. Better wages is the important for purpose of the reading their learning their children or to go to the children their children. So laborers main their development goal is the better wages. Better wages. What is the land laborers? Land laborers, their development goal is or their aspiration is better wages. What is who is the person? Landless rural laborers. Next two persons already given. Next persons prosperous farmers. Next farmers. Land laborers, laborers. Next farmers. Farmers ask, answer in your textbooks. What is that? Assured high family income through higher support prices for their crops and through the hard working and cheap labors, they should be able to settle their children abroad. Their development goals is different. Even laborers are different goals, better wages. But farmers are the least wages. They are least wages. They want to pay the least wages. Their goal is the different. Farmers, so as a farmer, least wages you get the more benefit. As a laborer, laborers main development goal is better wages. As a farmer, development goal is least wages. So different. Next persons are given in your textbooks. Next persons. Farmers who depend on rain for growing crops. Will farmers say? What is their aspirants? Their aspirants are. That is the gap is given. Two questions, two persons. Farmers who depend on rains for growing crop. That is the empty is given. That's what you have to complete. The table you have to complete yourself only. The answer is not same. Answer is the different. Your answer you can write that. Any answer is the correct. That is the social studies. But science, physical science, or biological science, mathematics, a current answer is the important. But in your social studies, controversial. One idea, my idea is the different. Shimit sir idea is the different. So Tulsi sir is the different ideas. Ramanjan idea is the different. Different persons of their answer is the different. So that's why we can't expectation what correct answer from the social studies. That is the special of the social studies. So some tables are already is given. Next, what is the farmers who depend only rain for growing crops? What is the development goals of the persons? Their development of the goal is they want more rains. If you have more rains, they can grow the crops. They are the well settled in their life. Next persons has given what is that? A rural woman from land owning family. A rural woman, what is the development goal? A rural woman from the land owing family. What is the land? A rural woman from a land owing family. Generally, what is her development goal? What is the development goal? She want to. The government has given the full subsidy of their crops. If they give the government full subsidy of the crops of her crop, she will get the more profits. Next person, what is that? Urban unemployed youth. Urban unemployed, what is the employments? Urban employment youth, they want to employment. Present observation for corona effect. Previously, unemployment rate is before the corona only 10%. Present unemployment rate is nearly 30%. Unemployment. Suppose if the corona continue after 1 year or 2 years, maybe in our country, the data latest has given by the government, previously 9.7 something unemployment in our country, present unemployment 30%. Maybe in the future, maybe 50%. Maybe future, maybe 50%, maybe continue of the corona in 1 year or 2 years, maybe unemployment. Present so many lost their lives, especially who are the working in the small shops. They have closed the shops. Who are the working in the industry, small industries are already closed. Some members are working in the grocery shop, even cloth shops. Present all shops already locked down. Only 2 hours they are functioning, 9 to 11 to 2 hours or 3 hours. How can you appoint it as a job? How can they give the job whenever they shop? So, really, once you have to think about the future. Present is a golden opportunity. You can't waste the time. Do hard work in your subjects and get the best job in your life. So, farmers will get. Next, person situation. So, a boy from a rich urban family. A boy from a rich urban family, he want to good education, he want to settle in abroad. His goal is the different. Next person journey. A girl from a rich urban family. She has given already. They have given the answer. Next, an Adivasi from what is that mining field? Adivasi want to the mining field. They want a job in the mining, or they want to get the best facilities of the land. Next, person from the fishing community in the coastal area. He saying what is that? You want more fishing industries located in this area, he is getting the benefit. Total, these are the persons. Some persons already one side given to the persons. Second one, category of the persons. Second side, development of the goals are the different. If suppose teacher my development goal is to give the good education for the children. But as a student, you are a student. What is your development of the goals? What is the development of goals? You want to get the good quality education. Real present, the government is ready to give the best quality of the education. Next, future generations. AP is the changes education hub throughout the world. Our Honorable Chief Minister is the essential role. Real Nadu Nedu program totally changed that. Previously, BC welfare total schools. The government is given the allotted for the sanction 14,000 crores to construction the buildings, new buildings. Next to Nadu Nedu first phase, second phase, third phase. The government has given the free books, free shoes, free bed, free food, lodging, boarding. When we were studying ask your children, ask your fathers, the government did not provide that facilities. Even we are the very unlucky persons, but you are a luckiest person. You have to utilize the facilities of the government and be developed and give the good name for our government. Next, the total development. Next to this.
Next slide, sir.
Next slide, sir. Third slide. One check it. One have to check that.
Yes.
One check it. Are we there? Are we there yet? Are we there yet? And they are practicing the different. They are the total tribal people. Tribal. They are the early men culture. They are hunting purpose. Their cultivation is the different project. Are we there yet? No. Are we there yet? No. We are changes. Our dress code is the change. Our culture is the change. Our tradition is the change. Present is the very machines. We can't use the human made power. Everything machine power. even JCBs, we can't, even farmers also. Previously, agriculture labor is the very demand. So cutting the crop, very difficult activity at the time. Present all the machines, cutting the crop, or paddy, or rice, anything. So are we there yet today? No, we have to change our traditional culture, agriculture system, industry, software. Once upon a time, we want to talk to all the parents. Very difficultness present in the cell phone. All the children misuse misuse the cell phone. Unnecessary call to them. Generally, children, even students also want the studying of these schools. Call to the principal, sir. Sir, when will you open the school, sir? Already, sir, can I come to the school, sir, to take the book, sir? Sir, my phone number is not working, sir. What is that? So, misuse, you can't misuse the phone. Any emergency, you can't make the misuse. You have to build your correct way of your phones. So, pictures are the so, next page, this continues to total which are conflicting. Here picture observe. What is that? What is the observation of your picture? Total change. Early man to present man. Early man to present man. Early man to present man. Total change. Early man to present man. How do you show the picture? Once upon a development is the different preference of the crops. Different crops are made, especially previously food grain crops has preferred to that. Present industrial crops have to prefer that. Commercial crops. Previously only for food grains. Present already changed. Previously manpower, we are using the manpower for cropping. Present totally changed. Machine power. Even present previously, their cultivation is the different. Present cultivation is the different. Their food habits, previously food habit is the different. Present food habit is the different. Previously, what is the food habit of the human beings? They have a morning only. They have to eat the rice. Present food habit changes that. We have to eat the difference. So everything have to change. This is the second parallel. Pictures to total are there. Total. It's totally check. Downstate, there is no downstate. About what is how many years? 2 lakhs years. Number of the years since we began agriculture. 12,000 years ago. Number of the years since the modern industries. 12,000 years ago started agriculture. Important. 12,000 years. 12,000 years ago started the agriculture. 12,000 years. $12,000 years ago started the agriculture. 12,000 years. Actually 2000 actually 20. 12,000 and come to the BC. Present AD. This is the AD. Next to BC. Previously started in BC 12,000 BC. And 12,000 years back started the agriculture. 12,000 years. In 2000 less session, BC was what is the nearly 10,000 years. 10,000 BC started the agriculture. Present what their agriculture is the difference. Once after the picture is there given. Our agriculture is the different. Previously the how to grow the crop is the different. Present we can grow the crops is the different. So everything is the different. Our total previously we can't use any pesticides. Present observation. Everything. Even we have to use the vegetables, fruits, even milk also polluted of the milk also. So that's why we are suffering a lot of the problems, health problems. So polluted of the atmosphere. Next to future slow, really we have facing so many problems because of the corona. Even when observe this, foreign countries, India's observing, foreign slow death rate is nearly 10%. Foreign slow nearly 5 to 10% death rate. And they were suffering, 100 members are suffering the corona. 5 to 10 members lost their life. But in India, what is the credibility of the India? only death rate is below 1%. Below 1%, 1,000 members are suffering. 100 members are 100 members, only one member lost the life. That is the credibility. But in other foreign countries, 5 to 10 members for 100 members. For 100 members who in foreign countries, they lost the life nearly 5 to 10 members. But in India, for 100 members, only 1 or 2 members lost their life. What is the reason? Because we have a resistance power. Our food practice is the different. We are playing in the up to childhood. We are playing in the mud. We are swimming in the rivers. We have a resistance power. We can't play in the mud. We don't have the resistance power. We have a physical work up to starting our labor scar. Agriculture economy, our economy depending upon the agriculture. So that's why our tradition, our stamina, our resistance power is the different. So that's why our death rate is only below the 1%. Okay, next two pages in your textbooks. Next slide, sir. Slide has given 2.3 figure. Next slide 2.3. Protect at Kundankulam nuclear. Yes, exactly, sir. That is. So the protest at picture has given. Picture is given. What is the protest? So picture is given 2.3 picture. What is the picture has given? Protest at protest. What is the place has given in your textbooks? In actually Tamil Nadu, what is the place has given to that? Kundankulam. Nuclear power station. Nuclear power stations. Observe addition already. Protest at Kundankulam nuclear power project. Observe the protest. Once how to they are protesting. They are not interested to establish the nuclear power project in this area. This is the located in Tamil Nadu. Place has given to that. So what is the conflict to the nuclear power project? Tirunelveli, Tamil Nadu. Tirunelveli, protest. Tirunelveli. This is the nuclear process. The peoples are not interested to establish the nuclear power project in this area. What's the extra information? This is the what is the total? This is the extra information about the student activity. You have read yourself. You have to understanding the lesson, and in the public examination they can ask the question. You are ready to give the answer. Total extra information. This one of the contest is there. Total protection of the Kundankulam nuclear power project. This is the located in Tamil Nadu. Tirunelveli community. What is the place has given to the textbooks of Kundankulam? Tirunelveli place is the location. Underline this one. Tirunelveli, Tamil Nadu in the textbooks. This is the important place of Tamil Nadu. So what is the reason the people are not interested to establish the power project in this area? Because for the ecological purpose, damage of the ecological system, polluted. Previously, total present we observe in Visakhapatnam incident. Next to so many incident gas leakage. This is the very nuclear power station release the gases. Some toxic gases. That is the dangerous for the human beings. Already science subject law, that is a separate. What are the problems of the power plant? They are the protests. Tirunelveli, Tamil Nadu. Protests because of that they are not interested to start the power project. So, what is the reason they are not interested to establish the power project in that? Because totally they have to leak. If the leakage of the gas, if the breath of the poison gas, they will be dying. Their crops also damaged for the gas. Total pollute of the atmosphere. So that's why they are protested. They are opposite of the nuclear power project. Present our power generation also, power generation some percentage of the coming from the thermal power, nuclear power stations. Just only 2-3-5% only. But in Japan, developed countries, majority of the power, really 3 minutes. Okay, this is the total information about the protest of the Kundankulam nuclear. So you have any doubts, once read the total matter. You have to underline the points. Later, any doubts after, I am ready to give the answer. Okay, thank you to Manada to participate in the lesson. Any doubts asked that, please send to the please ask to me any members. I am ready to give the answer. One by one, raise your hands. Only one give the permission. One of the student, what is the completion of the lesson? I am ready to give the answer. If you don't have any doubts, you can proceed the next lessons. Maybe next 2 periods is enough to complete the total syllabus for the second unit. So any doubts are there? Once again I give the guidelines for you. Without the textbooks, you can't come to the classes. You can't come to the. That is the important procedures. Some extra information has given in textbooks. Without the textbooks, you can't understanding anything. And you underline what are the points, what had written on the blackboard. You have to underline the point. Okay, any doubts on this, sir? Any raise your hands? Sir, the person.
Unmute చేయండి సార్. ఎవరైనా పిల్లలు డౌట్స్ అడిగే వాళ్ళు అడగండి.
సార్ అందరిది చేస్తాను. సార్ అందరిది
అన్మ్యూట్ చేయండి సార్.
అందరిది తీసాను సార్. అన్మ్యూట్ తీసింది అందరి పిల్లలు తీసింది.
ఒక్కొక్కరు మాట్లాడండి. ఎవరైనా केशव कार्तिक
Keshav Karthik, I have any doubt for you? No, na? Next to Yugandhar, Mahendra. Mahendra is the very Lokesh, Dr. Lokesh. In the short and repeated, in the short performance, Lokesh.
Vishnu, you have any doubts? Unmute చేసుకో.
డౌట్స్ ఏమైనా ఉంటే అడగండి. క్లోజ్ అయిపోతుంది.
Vishnu, have any doubt? Vishnu, Sebi sir is the very key interested about you. Ask your performance. No, Vishnu. Our Gundumala students, Mr. Who are the Gundumala students? Raise their hands. Gundumala students. No. Okay, Nana. Thank you, Nana. And once again, thank you to who are the support to us, Shamir sir and Sushil sir. Once again, I thank you to support of the Zoom classes. Okay. Bye. Thank you.
ఓకే థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్. సత్యవేడ 12 గంటలకు ఇంగ్లీష్ ఉందిరా. సత్యవేడ స్కూల్ కి అందరూ అటెండ్ అవ్వాలి క్లాస్.
ఎప్పుడు సార్? ఎన్ని గంటలకు సార్? 12.